Hear ye, hear ye! It's another Roof Right Minute!
Your home's heat is escaping right through the attic, and most homeowners don't even realize it. Without proper insulation, heat rises and leaks out, forcing your furnace to run longer and harder just to keep up. That means higher energy bills and colder rooms, especially in your upper floors. Blown-in insulation is one of the most effective ways to stop that heat loss. Loose fill insulation fills every gap, corner, and hard-to-reach space that traditional insulation often misses. The result is a thicker, more even thermal blanket that keeps warm air inside your home where it belongs. At Roof Right, we specialize in blown-in insulation designed to bring your attic up to the recommended R value, giving you better comfort, better efficiency, and noticeably lower heating costs. Stay warm, stay efficient, and start the season with a home that holds on to its heat. Contact Roof Right to schedule your insulation upgrade before winter gets any colder. I didn't know winter could get any colder.